Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for updates for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds here and then you need to scroll down. So, at the bottom right here we have version. You need to tap at this line. It checked for updates and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this menu you can update it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!